In this video, we will learn basic shortcut key of Excel sheet. For your daily work, you can use this shortcut key to improve your work and do your work fastly. So let's start. The first Control plus S. So I just press the Control plus S to save data. You can save your data to enter the Control plus S. Okay. This file is not yet saved, so there is an option show you Control plus S. So I enter here something name and just save it. Okay. Now when you press the Control plus S, it save your data. Okay. Then second Control plus A to select the full data. Control plus A. When I press the Control plus A, the data will select it. All data will select it. Then Control plus T to convert the data in table. To convert the data in table, first select the full data, Control plus A, then Control plus T. Okay, then here you see the small dialog box is open. To create the table, just click on OK. The data converted in table. Okay, so when you click on the any cell, here you see the tab is automatically added, table design. So this is a table. Okay, then Control Z, the undo the action. So I want to undo the action, Control Z. Here you see data is not in table. If you want to check it, just select the cell and in tab, here you see not have any table design tab. So I just undo the action. Then Control V to paste the data. Before that, we will see Control C to copy the data. To copy the full data, again you press the Control plus A to select the full data, then Control plus C to copy the full data, and Control plus V to paste all data. Okay, then I just again press Control plus Z to undo the action. Then Control plus T. I just take this subcategory here. Okay, now this bookcase name I want in below cell also. So there is a one way I copy this and paste here to selecting the below cell only. Okay, the Control plus T to copy this cell and select this cell also. So I select all cell with the copy cell also and just press to Control plus T. That's it. Here you say bookcases is automatically copied in all cell. Then Control plus H to find something. So I just press the Control plus H. Here you can enter your, suppose I enter here the chair in find chairs and click on the find next. Here you see the chair is selected. Okay, you can find the data easily in your data. So the next Control plus N new, the new Excel is automatically open when you Control plus N. That's it. Here you see the new Excel file is open here. Then Control plus W. When I press the Control plus W, the Excel will closed. Just click on save and don't save. Okay, if you don't want to close it, just click on the cancel. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.